Leonhard Lang Precision Medical Electrodes and Accessories at MFI Medical. Leonhard Lang is a globally recognized leader in the production of high-quality medical electrodes and accessories, with a strong commitment to precision, innovation, and patient safety. Leonhard Lang's products are trusted by healthcare professionals worldwide. MFI Medical proudly offers a comprehensive selection of Leonhard Lang products designed to meet the needs of various medical disciplines, including cardiology, neurology, and emergency medicine. This manufacturer spotlight will explore the exceptional Leonhard Lang offerings available at MFI Medical and highlight how these products enhance patient care and diagnostic accuracy. Leonhard Lang, excellence in medical electrode manufacturing. Founded in 1873, Leonhard Lang has become a leading manufacturer of medical electrodes and accessories, known for their commitment to quality and innovation. Their products are designed to provide accurate, reliable results across various applications, from ECG and EEG monitoring to defibrillation and pacing. Leonhard Lang's dedication to precision and patient safety ensures that healthcare professionals have the tools to deliver exceptional care. Skintact ECG Electrodes. The Skintact ECG electrodes are known for their excellent adhesion, signal quality, and patient comfort. These electrodes are essential for accurate and reliable ECG monitoring in both clinical and emergency settings. Explore Skintact ECG electrodes at MFI Medical. Defibrillation pads. Leonhard Lang's defibrillation pads are designed for quick, reliable connection and optimal energy transfer during defibrillation. These pads are compatible with most major defibrillator brands, ensuring flexibility and ease of use. Discover Leonhard Lang defibrillation pads at MFI Medical. Skintact TENS Electrodes. Designed for therapeutic use, Skintact TENS electrodes deliver consistent electrical stimulation to relieve pain and improve muscle function. These electrodes are ideal for physical therapy and rehabilitation. EEG Electrodes. Leonhard Lang's EEG electrodes are crafted to provide accurate brainwave monitoring, essential for neurological assessments and diagnostics. These electrodes are designed for comfort and precision, making them ideal for both short-term and long-term monitoring. Why choose Leonhard Lang products from MFI Medical? By choosing Leonhard Lang products from MFI Medical, healthcare professionals gain access to high-quality medical electrodes and accessories that prioritize precision, reliability, and patient comfort. MFI Medical offers competitive pricing, a wide selection of Leonhard Lang products, and exceptional customer service, making it easy to equip your facility with the best diagnostic tools available. Leonhard Lang's impact on patient care and diagnostic accuracy. Leonhard Lang's products are designed to improve patient care by providing accurate and reliable diagnostic tools. Whether it's ECG monitoring, defibrillation, or EEG assessments, Leonhard Lang ensures that healthcare professionals have the tools they need to make informed decisions and deliver exceptional care. Their commitment to innovation and quality has made them a trusted name in medical diagnostics worldwide. Frequently asked questions. Question: what types of medical products does Leonhard Lang specialize in? Answer: Leonhard Lang specializes in a wide range of medical electrodes and accessories, including ECG electrodes, defibrillation pads, TENS/EMS electrodes, and EEG electrodes. These products are designed to provide accurate and reliable diagnostic results in various medical settings. Question: are Leonhard Lang products compatible with most medical devices? Answer: yes, Leonhard Lang's products, such as their defibrillation pads, are designed to be compatible with most major brands of medical devices, ensuring flexibility and ease of use in clinical and emergency settings. Question: where can I purchase Leonhard Lang products? Answer: you can purchase Leonhard Lang products directly through MFI Medical. Explore our extensive selection of Leonhard Lang medical electrodes and accessories here. Question: does MFI Medical offer competitive pricing on Leonhard Lang products? Answer: yes, MFI Medical is committed to offering the best prices in the industry. We provide competitive pricing on all Leonhard Lang products, along with exceptional customer service and support. Question: what makes Leonhard Lang a trusted brand in medical diagnostics? Answer: Leonhard Lang is known for its commitment to quality, precision, and patient safety. Their medical electrodes and accessories are designed to provide accurate and reliable results, making them a trusted choice for healthcare professionals worldwide. Leonhard Lang continues to lead the way in medical electrode manufacturing, providing healthcare professionals with the tools they need to deliver accurate diagnostics and exceptional patient care. MFI Medical is proud to offer a wide selection of Leonhard Lang products, ensuring that your facility is equipped with the best medical electrodes and accessories available. Explore the full range of Leonhard Lang medical electrodes and accessories and elevate your diagnostic capabilities with MFI Medical. Visit MFI Medical for Leonhard Lang products. Thank you for exploring MFI Medical's guide to Leonhard Lang Precision Medical Electrodes and Accessories at MFI Medical. Visit mfimedical.com and find the perfect fit today.